Today I am going to share chicken sticks recipe. It's so simple and easy. Chicken marination preparation. Chicken sticks, 500 grams. Salt to taste. Soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Chili sauce, 2 tablespoon. Paprika 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. Sauce preparation. Mayonnaise, a ½ cup. Tabasco sauce 1.5 tablespoon. Mustard sauce, 1 tablespoon. Mix together. Done. Leave aside. Flour mixture preparation. Flour 1 cup. Egg 1. Salt to taste. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, a ½ teaspoon. Water as required. Mix well. Perfect consistency. After 30 minutes, chicken, put it in the sticks. Chicken sticks deep with flour mixture. Deep fry. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video.